I'm out here fishing this little Rainforest creek. It goes up about 200 meters and I fished the whole section. Catch quite a few fish in here actually, so be expecting a few sooties, JP, cod. I get a few. Yeah, fall over a few times, almost fall over a few times, but it's all part of it. So yeah, enjoy the video. He's on it. That's a good fish. It's a sooty, yes. It's a sooty. Such a cool fish. I don't know how I'm going to land it. Yes, I do. That's awesome. That's awesome. Let's go. Yes. That's a great sooty. Look at that. That's my first ever sooty on a lure. And he's going to go pretty close to 40, I think. Get him down here, get the measurement out. On the measurement, measuring out to be 37, almost 37. Oh yeah, 37 and a half. That's my first ever sooty on a lure. I'm stoked. Let's go. Look at that. I've got that first good sooty. Just moved down the stream a bit into this little pocket, and I think there should be a few fish in this part. Whether I can actually get to them is another question. And if we get nothing here, I've got a few more spots on this system that I can go up on. And it's in the middle of these houses and everything too, so it's an urban place, it's not hidden. So yeah, gonna have a handful of casts here, and if we get nothing, I'm gonna move on upstream to where I think there'll be a few more JP. Up at this next segment holds a few of those mud cod, snakehead cod, I don't know what you call them. Most people call them mud cod, so I'll call them that just for the sake of... Oh! A little water dragon just ran up over there. I'm guaranteeing the big JPs and sooties in here would probably be eating those water dragons. So yeah, not going for water dragons today of course, going for JP and everything else that's in here. So gonna give this spot about maybe 15 minutes. It's not a very big area, so it's not going to take long to cover. Hopefully we get a JP, that's the bucket list. But if not a JP, I might say no to a cod or another soot. So yeah, cast in the right spot. These cod come out of absolutely nowhere. See a few small JP being flogged by mosquitoes, so I'm going to try and make this a bit quick, but yeah. Oh, there's a baby sooty down there. see why they call them mud cod. That one just came out of, well, the ground, I guess. I mean, out of the mud, you could say. Fish on it. It's cupped it. Oh, damn, cod. It's a cod. Alright. Let's climb on top of that tree. Oh my god. Snake on your foot. Oh, okay, one knee. Ah. Wow. Don't want to fall off here. Pretty cool how this tree is falling down. Looks like it gets to a deep pocket a bit more further up, so walk across here and yeah. Check this out. This vine has been here that long. That tree's growing around it. That is awesome. It's how long that vine has been there for. God knows how long, but that vine's just embedded in it. It's pretty cool. Oh, multiple JP on it. Yes, we got one, we got one. We got the small one. Yes, we did it. Finally did it. I mean, it's tiny, but there was 3 of them there. Just a small one, but it's still a JP. Ow, ow. Oh, he's spiking me all over. All different places. Ow. Spiky little buggers they are. There's 3 of them there. And I managed to catch the smallest one. I'm still really happy about that because we got a JP. Yeah, I had a cod. A cod went up, hit my lure, and messed up the frog, so he let go. I actually hooked it and he spat it out, got unhooked, and then so I was swimming the frog, but it was underwater, so it was like a little fish. And I had 3 JP come up, follow it, and they were all hitting it. And a small one came up and just smacked it, and yeah, that's the one you just saw. So really awesome. He spiked me in a lot of places, and I didn't know they had spikes like that. So yeah. Whoa, water dragon! He just came darting down here. I wonder what scared him. That's awesome. Something must. Oh, I see a little. Oh, there's a bandicoot up there. I think it is. There's a little bandicoot up there. Wow. Things you see around here are just amazing. You see things that no one else would ever see. It's awesome. It's just great. Well, that was a really weird sounding bird. They might actually be cassowaries. Oh, fish on. Oh, damn it, lost it. Go for it again. That's a fish, yes. Bird species. Beautiful little cod. Not going to get a photo or anything. Just going to get the hooks out. Oh. Back in he goes. Oh. That's another fish. Another JP. That makes a 2 JP. He's also pretty small, but it's still a fish. Okay, down here. Alright people, that's going to be the end of the video there. I've walked just up to the end of the system where it's all fishable, and it's kind of just dimmed down a bit, it's gone thinner, it's not really the greatest. So I'm on my way back now. I hope you enjoyed. It was a pretty good session we had today, saw a lot of fish, caught my first sooty on a lure, caught a few JP, which was really nice, that's what I came out here for. And also caught that one cod. We saw some big cod too out here. There are some big cod and I want to catch them. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, do the usual, like, subscribe, share it to your friends if you think they'd like them. And yeah, peace.